Assalamu alaikum. I am here again with a very interesting and easy topic of the market equilibrium. The first thing I will tell you about the today's topic, that from a traditional way where we make a table and graph with the values, with the available values. But now in this lecture, we will make a table and graph with the help of equation. That the question is how it is possible, that how we can make we can make a table and graph with the help of equation. Yes, we will make a graph of the market equilibrium and the table of the market equilibrium with the help of the equations of quantity demand and the quantity supply. So what is the procedure and what is the technique behind this? We will move towards the details. So the market equilibrium, already we know about that. What is the market equilibrium? It is a situation where market forces, the demand and supply are equal and in the optimum point. So here we will mathematical explanation and we will explain the mathematical solutions of the market equilibrium. So in the previous lectures we have understand and identify the three situations of the market. That in the market there are three conditions and the three situations. The first one is the shortage, and the second one is the surplus, and the last one and the third one is the equilibrium point. So अगर आप लोगों को इन तीनों चीज़ों का नहीं पता, टर्म्स का नहीं पता, तो आप हमारे मार्केट इक्विलिब्रियम के फर्स्ट लेक्चर से कंसर्न कर सकते हैं, डिटेलिंग अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. So here we will talk about the first condition. So this is our example 1 and the lecture 1 of the market conditions. So here we will talk about the market condition of the equilibrium. So if we know that there is a two forces, the demand and the supply. So the demand function shows the relationship between price and the quantity demand. I am repeating again for you remembering, कि आप लोगों को याद आ जाए कि मार्केट डिमांड क्या होती है, मार्केट सप्लाई क्या होती है और उनका फंक्शन क्या होता है. So the demand function shows the relationship between the price and quantity demand. We know that at the different prices in the market, the people are willing to buy different quantities. So when price is low, people demand more, and also when price is rise, people demand less. So similarly, supply function shows the various quantities which the producers are willing to supply at different prices of the commodity. So under these given circumstances, there will be a price at which the sellers are willing to sell as much quantity as the buyers are willing to buy at that particular price. This is called the market equilibrium, and the price is called the equilibrium price. So the market equilibrium means a situation where market supply is equal to market demand. I have write down the ME is equal to TD, QD is equal to QS. ME is denoted for market equilibrium, QD for quantity demand equals to QS for quantity supplied. So if we are given supply and demand equations, we can find the equilibrium price and also quantity. So we will start with the example 1, that our market condition is QS is equal to QD. So we can identify that this is our equilibrium situation where QS is equal to QD, means quantity supplied is equal to quantity demanded. So we have two equations I have written on the board, that QD is equal to 50 minus 5P and QS is equal to 18 plus 3P. So this is our demand equation with the negative sign and the supply equation with a positive sign. Now I will tell you a very interesting concept, that why the question is why the minus sign in the quantity demand and why there is a positive sign in the supply equation. Very easy and technical answer. We know that quantity demanded is the negative relationship between the price, and the quantity supply has a positive relationship with the price. So minus sign shows the negative relationship with the price, and the positive sign shows the positive relationship between the quantity supplied and the price. So there is a logic behind the positive and negative signs of the mathematics. So this is the mathematical techniques and mathematical explanation behind the economic concepts. So we have the two equations, and we know that condition of the market equilibrium is quantity supply is equal to quantity demand. So we will substitute the values of QS and QD. QS is equal to 18 plus 3P, and QD is equal to 50 minus 5P. We substitute the values. 18 plus 3P is equal to 50 minus 5P. So if you are good in the maths, you can solve easily that we will move the values of the P in left side and then variable values in the right side. When we'll change and replace the place of the values, sign of the value automatically change. So when we replace the place of the 5P, it becomes a plus 5P. So 3P plus 5P is equal to 50. When we replace the place of 18, it will becomes a minus 18. So 50 plus minus 18. Then when we will solve, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8P, and 50 plus 18 is equal to 32. So this is our P is equal to 4. I have write down the P is equal to, for right side EP and the left side MP. So MP denotes for the market price and EP denoted for the equilibrium price. So this is our equilibrium price. We are not finished here, and we are not understand here the total story. At the starting of the lecture, I have mentioned that we will make a table and we will make a graph by the equation. So we are now find out the value of P. So now we can make a table. Now we are able to make a table. So here is the table. You can make by yourself. That P is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and QD is equal to randomly between the prices of equations, that 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, and QS is equal to 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. But you will see the relationship between, you cannot change the relationship between the price and quantity and price and supply. जब आप अपने दिमाग में इस चीज़ को क्लियर कर लोगे कि प्राइस का और डिमांड का क्या रिलेशनशिप है और प्राइस का सप्लाई का क्या रिलेशनशिप है, तो आप इस काबिल हो जाओगे, यू एबल टू मेक अ टेबल. यहाँ आपने सिर्फ अपने रिलेशनशिप को maintain रखना between the price and D and between the price and quantity supplied. Here is a table. Now we can easily make a graph by the help of the table. DD is of demand, SS is of supply, 4 is our market price and the equilibrium price. We will see that 30 is a quantity demand and 30 is also a quantity supply. So this is the market condition where quantity supplied is equal to the quantity demand. So by the table and the graph, same results are obtained. Fine. So we will move towards the next condition in the next lecture. Here we have done the market condition of the quantity demand and the quantity supply is equal to quantity demand. I hope you people can understand easily. If you feel any problem in the concept, you can feel free to ask. You can feel free to ask without any hesitation.